Hi, replacing rear brake fluid isn't enough on its own. The most critical part of the job is bleeding the brake system properly. A small mistake here can reduce braking performance when you need the most. The purpose of bleeding is to remove trapped air from the hydraulic brake line. Brake fluid transfers pressure instantly, but a trapped air compresses. Even a tiny air bubble can make the rear brake pedal feel soft and reduce braking efficiency. The bleeding process starts with attaching a clear tube to the rear caliper bleed nipple and placing the other end in a container. This allows you to monitor both the old brake fluid and any air bubbles leaving the system. Now, as you see, pump the rear brake pedal several times to build hydraulic pressure and hold the pedal fully pressed. Then, by holding the pedal, slightly open the bleed nipple to release fluid and trapped air. After that, before releasing the pedal, always tighten the bleed nipple again. This prevents fresh air from being drawn back into the brake line. The one thing you should never ignore is the brake fluid level in the reservoir. Always refill it on time. If it runs empty during bleeding, air enters the system and you will have to repeat the entire bleeding process from the beginning. You have to continue bleeding until only clean brake fluid flows through the tube and no more air bubbles appear. Fresh fluid and a bubble-free hydraulic system are the main key to the consistent braking performance. Once you are done, tighten the bleed nipple and refill the reservoir to the correct level. Finally, press the rear brake pedal several times. It should feel firm and respond immediately. If the pedal still feels soft or spongy, air is still trapped inside the system and the brake must be plugged again. For more details and to do it yourself, please check out the video link below.